Desert Wind Harley-Davidson, and we're back with another awesome Red Friday, and today we have our American Legion riders from Post 27.
Yes, and we're challenging you to get your challenge coins on Friday if you're wearing red, and then come on down and see our car and bike show March 11th.
Don't forget to red. Speedboat. I'm the president of American Legion Riders. This is Tin Man. We got D-Ray and we got Big Hoss here. And I kind of want to explain a little bit more about the American Legion. What we are is a group of riders. We get together to raise money for our charities and have a good time doing it. If you're a veteran or a son of a veteran, come on down and join us. As a matter of fact, come out this Sunday, March 11th. We're going to be having a bike and car show. Only $10 in your car. Benefits go to Benefits Arizona Honor Flight and Michigan American Project. All of our benefits do that, as of all of our charities do. We're also raffling off a really nice toolbox, $10 a ticket. So make sure you come down to Desert Wind Harley on Friday with your red shirt on. Get your challenge coin. We got them for all branches of the service. And then come on out to the show on Sunday, March 11th. Right on.
Right on.
Right on.
So
We're
let's do the screwed up one first. Okay,
we're
ready?
gonna perfect. We're gonna nail it on the first one. Ready?
All right. See? Okay.
All right,
Sorry.
And we challenge you to come down next Friday and get your challenge coins at Desert Wind Harley, and come out to our car and bike show March 11th.
Well, you gotta say you challenge them to wear a red shirt. Come into Desert
Oh, yeah,
Wind.
that's right, okay.
Okay, so
Take two. Take two.
shirt guy in the middle.
Red Friday challenge.
Red Friday challenge.
Ride with the wind. Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.